Whether you're getting ready for your driving test or simply brushing up on your road knowledge, this quiz is packed with valuable insights to keep you informed and confident. In this third installment of our series, we'll dive into 135 more essential signs that every Canadian driver should know. Let's hit the road and get started. Question 1. What does this parking-related sign indicate? A. Temporary no stopping. B. Parking allowed. C. No restrictions. That's correct. The answer is A. Temporary no stopping. Question 2. What speed limit is shown on this sign? A. Maximum speed 50 kilometers per hour. B. Minimum speed 50 kilometers per hour. C. Advisory speed only. Spot on. The correct answer is A. Maximum speed 50 kilometers per hour. Question 3. What does this metric conversion sign indicate? A. Imperial conversion only. B. A metric conversion sign. C. Local signage only. That's right. The correct answer is B. A metric conversion sign. Question 4. What action does this roundabout sign require? A. Yield at roundabout. B. Stop at roundabout. C. Roundabout not ahead. Correct. The answer is A. Yield at roundabout. Question 5. What does this directional sign mean? A. Keep left. B. Keep right. C. Straight ahead only. That's correct. The answer is B. Keep right. Question 6. What weather condition does this sign warn about? A. Dangerous crosswinds. B. Smooth road ahead. C. No weather issues. Spot on. The correct answer is A. Dangerous crosswinds. Question 7. What does this marker indicate? A. No marker expected. B. Chevron marker. C. Straight road continues. That's right. The correct answer is B. Chevron marker. Question 8. What type of crossing does this sign warn about? A. Dog sled crossing. B. Pedestrian crossing. C. Cycle path crossing. Correct! The answer is A. Dog sled crossing. Question 9. What wildlife does this sign warn about? A. Wild horse area. B. Sheep crossing. Cattle crossing. That's correct. The answer is C. Cattle crossing. Question 10. What does this turning restriction indicate? A. Turning right on red is prohibited. B. No turns allowed. Clear left turn required. Spot on. The correct answer is A. Turning right on red is prohibited. Question 11. What action does this sign require? A. Stop ahead. B. No stop required. C. Traffic continues freely. That's right. The correct answer is A. Stop ahead. Question 12. What does this restriction on turning indicate? A. Right turn on red allowed. B. Turning right on red is prohibited. C. Straight ahead only. Correct. The answer is B. Turning right on red is prohibited. Question 13. What restriction does this directional sign enforce? A. Right turn permitted. B. No right turn. Clear straight ahead allowed. The answer is B, no right turn. Question 14. What does this environmental sign indicate? A, no littering. B, no restrictions. C, temporary waste zone. Spot on. The correct answer is A, no littering. Question 15. What road condition does this sign warn about? A, no bumps expected. B, bump. C, gentle curve only. That's right. The correct answer is B, bump. Question 16. What speed restriction does this sign enforce? A, maximum speed limit 60 kilometers per hour. B, advisory speed only. C, minimum speed 60 kilometers per hour sign. Correct. The answer is C, minimum speed 60 kilometers per hour sign. Question 17. What does this path sign indicate? A, shared path. B, pedestrian path only. C, cycle path only. That's correct. The answer is A, shared path. Question 18. What does this signage reminder indicate? A, no signage reminder. B, metric signage reminder. C, restricted signs. Spot on. The correct answer is B, metric signage reminder. Question 19. What crossing is ahead based on this sign? A, railway level crossing ahead. B, no railway crossing expected. C, traffic flows freely. That's right. The correct answer is A, railway level crossing ahead. Question 20. What directional instruction does this sign give? A, keep right. B, keep left. C, straight ahead only. Correct. The answer is B, keep left. Question 21. What does this railway-related sign indicate? A, railway crossing, bridge crossing instead. C, traffic flows freely. That's correct. The answer is A, railway crossing. Question 22. What type of zone does this sign warn about? A, residential zone only. B, no playground nearby. C, playground zone. Spot on. The correct answer is C, playground zone. Question 23. What wildlife area does this sign indicate? A, no wildlife expected. Bridge deer crossing. C, moose area. That's right. The correct answer is B, deer crossing. Question 24. What does this sign restrict? A, overtaking permitted. B, traffic flows freely. C, no overtaking. Correct. The answer is C, no overtaking. Question 25. What type of highway marker is shown here? A, local highway marker. B, auto route shield. C, restricted route. That's correct. The answer is B, auto route shield. Question 26. What kind of road marker is this? A, example of provincial highway shield. B, local marker only. C, restricted route. Spot on. The correct answer is A, example of provincial highway shield. Question 27. What road condition does this sign warn about? A, uneven surface. B, no road issues. C, smooth pavement. That's right. The correct answer is A, uneven surface. Question 28. What does this pavement-related sign indicate? A, pavement continues. B, pavement ends. Clear, smooth road ahead. Correct. The answer is B, pavement ends. Question 29. What does this crosswalk sign warn about? A, no pedestrians allowed. B, cyclist crossing only. C, pedestrian crosswalk. That's correct. The answer is C, pedestrian crosswalk. Question 30. What surface condition does this sign warn about? A, dry surface expected. B, slippery surface. C, smooth pavement. Spot on. The correct answer is B, slippery surface. Question 31. What type of crossing does this sign warn about? A, no skiers expected. B, pedestrian crossing. C, skier crossing. That's right. The correct answer is C, skier crossing. Question 32. What restriction does this parking sign indicate? A, parking permitted. B, no parking. C, restricted parking zone. Correct. The answer is B, no parking. Question 33. What does this road closure sign indicate? A, road open. B, road closed. C, traffic continues. That's correct. The answer is B, road closed. Question 34. What type of crosswalk is indicated by this sign? A, no school nearby. B, pedestrian crossing only. C, school crosswalk. Spot on. The correct answer is C, school crosswalk. Question 35. What wildlife area does this sign highlight? A, moose crossing. Bridge deer crossing. C, bear area. That's right. The correct answer is A, moose crossing. Question 36. What does this restriction sign prohibit? A, dangerous goods vehicles prohibited. B, no restrictions. Commercial passenger vehicles prohibited. Correct. The answer is A, dangerous goods vehicles prohibited. Question 37. What does this bus-related sign warn about? A, no school nearby. Bus stop ahead. Crossing pedestrian instead. That's correct. The answer is B, school bus stop ahead. Question 38. What road condition does this sign indicate? A, no dip expected. B, dip C, bridge crossing instead. Spot on. The correct answer is B, dip. Question 39. What does this downgrade sign warn about? A, flat road ahead. B, steep incline instead. C, steep downgrade. That's right. The correct answer is C, steep downgrade. Question 40. What does this road-ending sign mean? A, road continues. B, intersection ahead. C, end of road. Correct. The answer is C, end of road. Question 41. What wildlife area does this sign warn about? A, reindeer crossing. B. Moose crossing, C. Bear area. That's correct. The answer is A. Reindeer crossing. Question 42. What does this crosswalk sign indicate? A. No crosswalk expected. B. Crosswalk ahead. C. Cycle path crossing. Spot on. The correct answer is B. Crosswalk ahead. Question 43. What parking condition does this sign enforce? A. No parking allowed. B. Parking permitted 24/7. C. Parking permitted for 2 hours. That's right. The correct answer is C. Parking permitted for 2 hours. Question 44. What restriction does this sign impose? A. No stopping. B. Temporary stop zone. C. No restrictions. Correct. The answer is A. No stopping. Question 45. What turning restriction does this sign enforce? A. Left turn permitted. B. Right turn only. C. No left turn. That's correct. The answer is C. No left turn. Great job completing this quiz on Canadian road signs. You're one step closer to mastering the rules of the road and driving with confidence. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quizzes and helpful driving tips. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you soon.